So today I have an aloe vera hair mask for hair strengthening and regrowth. So this is a easy and beneficial video. So continue watching till the end. Basically, aloe vera contains enzymes which repairs dead skin cells on the scalp. Also acts as a conditioner and helps to get a smooth, silky and shiny hair. So now all you'll need is a thick piece of aloe vera in which you can extract some amount of gel for your scalp. It promotes hair growth, prevents itching on the scalp and conditions your hair. So now I'll be taking a bowl and I'm going to remove the corners of this aloe vera piece. You can do it by slitting both the sides and open, but for now I'm cutting it in the center. So now you'll need a spoon to scoop the gel out. I've removed the excess from this part of the aloe vera. Remove it cleanly without missing any pieces of gel. Aloe vera is very nourishing for hair. There are tons of vitamins and minerals present in aloe vera. Make your hair healthier and stronger. Aloe vera works beautifully with coconut oil. This combination is used by all hair types. Increases the volume and the thickness of your hair and helps in hair regrowth. So basically, I love this aloe vera hair mask. I do this remedy twice a week and still I don't stop using it. I love it so much. So now I've removed the aloe vera and I'm whisking it. So the next ingredient will be coconut oil, which is very effective for hair growth. It depends upon your favorite oil. You can use any essential oils or olive oil or almond oil too. Basically, I love coconut oil. So here I'm using 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Whisk the ingredients together to make a bubbleless paste kind of liquid. Not a thick paste but a semi-liquid one. An important ingredient in Ayurveda for hair thinning. So here I've added aloe vera, and the next beneficial thing is coconut oil, which we have added in this because it nourishes and strengthens your hair when applied twice a week. So I've applied this mask on the scalp and massaged it for 15 minutes. Then apply the remaining on your hair too. Leave it for 10 to 15 minutes and rinse it off with lukewarm water. Don't use hot waters while washing. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe. Bye.